to the Relaxing Wood Shop, Morty edition. We've decided to do this. Morty wants to teach our younger audience how not to use tools, so we then know how to use tools. So what Morty's going to do, he's going to demonstrate how not to use a hammer, and then I will show you a better way to use a hammer. And I know it sounds very simple, but the amount of people, including me, that I have hit my thumb, I have hit my wrist, and I have hit other parts of my arms due to not holding a hammer right. So Morty's going to show you how not to, and then I'll show you how to. Okay. So Morty, are you ready to do the nail?
Yeah.
Okay, so for everybody at home, for those who aren't too sure what the difference between a chisel and a hammer is, just like my sister, this is a 101, just the easier, best way to be safe. So do not do what Morty did, and always have adult supervision, right? So, but I wanted to use an extra long nail just to show you how to do it right. So the best way to do it is hold your hand like that. Get the hammer with your thumb here so you have a good motion, not too hard. You don't need to hit a hammer too hard. And instead of just whacking the nail, tap nice and soft until it's embedded into the wood. And if you want to do a bit more, and that's it. And then from there, hammer away. Once the nail gets in a certain level, keep hammering. Now, because this is a big nail, obviously it's not showing it going through, so now I'll show you a smaller nail as it goes straight through the wood. So if it's a tiny nail, same rule applies. Thumb nice and straight, hammer, watch it with your eye, and then just tap nicely in. Now, if you're scared about holding that and hitting your finger, pair of pliers, press here, tap it in a wee bit more, pull the pliers away because they'll not take any further, and then just gently, and there's your perfect wee nail in. So it is as simple as that, guys. Always have adult supervision, always be careful with your tools, and always read the instruction manuals before you do any work with woodworking. But we're going to try and do this on a fortnightly basis, just a very short video for you to see. Everything okay with you, Morty? Well, poor Morty, but don't worry, he'll be okay and back for the next show. So again, folks, take care, be safe, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time on Morty's Relaxing Wood Shop.